how we can download and set up Spring Tool Suite, like which will help us to create a Spring MVC project, Spring Boot project. Okay, so for that you need to download the Spring Tool Suite. So you can go to the Spring.io website, and from there you can download the version, the latest version Spring Tools. It's 4 that you can download. So here you can select the operating system which you have. So first one is Linux, Mac OS, then Windows. So I have Windows 11, so I will select Windows. So I already have downloaded this version on my machine. So if you see like STS 4.14.1 release, and if you open this, then you see Spring Tool Suite 4. Okay, that's it. Like, to work with this, you just need to download this file from spring.io.tools website. Okay, and once you download, you just need to unzip this folder and you need to open this application. You just need to double click on it. Okay, so here you need to give the path. So I'm giving the location like Java projects and click on launch. So it will take some time to launch the tool suite. Okay, so currently I have already one application, so let me close this as we are going to create a new project. So you can create it. Okay, instead of, I will delete it from here, delete the location as well. Okay, so I will show you like how we can create a simple Spring Boot application by using Spring Tool Suite. So for that, what you can do is like there are multiple ways to create. So first is like you can go to Spring got start. I think from there you can, okay, or you can just create Spring Boot project with Spring Initializer. You can click on this, so it will take you to the Spring.io. Like Spring Initializer is the website from where you can create a Spring Boot application. Okay, so it will give you the UI from where you can select Maven project, then the latest Spring Boot application version, the language, and you can add dependencies as well. I will show you the both the ways. Okay, so first we'll go in this way only. Like here we'll check how can we create a Spring Boot application. So I will select Maven, Java, then latest stable version of Spring Boot. It's 2.7.0. I will keep this group as the same, like com.example, artifact as a demo, name as a demo, Java, like packaging which you want, like it's Java, sorry, jar or war, and Java version. So on my machine I have installed Java 18, so I will select 18. And to work with any Spring Boot application, initially we need dependencies, and the default dependencies we need, that is a web. So I will select Spring Web and click on generate. So this will help us to generate the particular application. So here instead of generate, like you can explore this, and you can see it will create the project structure with the pom.xml file as we are using Maven. So here you can see the Java version we have selected, the group ID, demo, then version, and the description of the project. Okay, and here you can see the dependency we have added, Spring Boot Starter web. With that it will also take the dependency as a Spring Boot Starter test. Okay, so we can go with this zip file. So go to show folder and open with, okay, that you will open this and you will see. So this project we need to import. Okay, if you go to Spring, and here you can select import Spring getting started content. Okay, instead of that you can just select our import projects, and here you can select Maven and existing Maven project, Click on next, browse to the directory, see some downloads, where it's downloaded, documents. Okay, let me check the version where it is downloaded. See users downloads demo.zip. Okay, here it is. So you need to select this. Okay, before that, downloads, it's not showing anything. Maybe because we have not extracted this. So let me first extract the demo zip here. Okay, and now I can select, right? Okay, till here. So it will contain the POM.xml file. Click on finish. So we have a demo application, and it will have all the project structure. It will contain the POM.xml file, and you can see everything like group ID, artifact ID, version, name, description, Java version, and the web dependency which we have added. But currently it is pointing to Java SE17. Okay, and if you try, so first, okay, so before that, to work on a Spring Boot application, you have to set up Java and Maven. So if I see, if I go to terminal and check like what is the Java version, so I have Java 18, and I will also check Maven version, so that you can check like MVN space hyphen version. So I have Java 18 and Apache 3.8.5. Okay, so you can compile the project by using the build tool Maven, like run as Maven build. So here you can mention the goals, like what I want to do. Like I want to do clean install, apply, run. So this will try to compile the project. So before compilation, it will download all the dependencies which we have mentioned into the POM.xml file. As you can see, we have just mentioned Spring Boot Starter web dependency, but it is downloading a lot of dependencies. The reason is that because we mentioned only Spring Boot Starter web, but one of the feature of Spring Boot Starter is that it will contain all the dependent direct dependencies if you mention just starter web, so that it will download all the dependencies here. Okay, we'll wait to it's complete the download of the dependencies. It will take some time. You can see here it's downloading the dependencies which are required for the web application. If we have a better network, then it will take little time, but might be due to have some network connection issues, it is taking much time. Okay, as you can see, the build is success now. So now we'll try to run this application. Run as Spring Boot app. Okay, as you can see, the application has been started. Okay, but we don't see anything here. So what I'll do, we'll go to assessment Java and demo application. So Spring Boot will create a by default one class which will contain the main method, and also the class will contain the Spring Boot application annotation. So we can say this is the entry point for this application. So what I'll do here, I will write one message. this out and file count to Spring Boot. Yes. Okay, and I will do the redeployment. So you can see the message here. And also, if you see, Tomcat started on port 8080 as Spring Boot will refer a default port for Tomcat, it is 8080. So on this server, the application gets started. Okay.